हे एवरीवन, वेलकम चैनल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूं कि स्नैपचैट से इंडिया में 94,000 रुपए तक कैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं और 2026 में करता है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Hey everyone, welcome channel. I'll show you the complete process step by step, share practical tips to grow your Snapchat account and explain different ways creators can monetize their content. Let's get started. Hey everyone, one niche and stay consistent with it. Popular niches include AI tools, tech, motivation, finance, fitness, education, fashion and travel. Try to don't focus on uploading lots of average videos. Consistently creating original, engaging content is more important than simply posting in high volume. Hey everyone, welcome channel. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि स्नैपचैट से इंडिया में 94,000 रुपए तक कैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं और 2026 में करता है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए। Let's get started. Hey everyone, a single niche helps people understand what your content is about and makes it easier to build a loyal audience over time. So, create your profile and choose one travel. Follow trends that match your niche, post consistently, and reply to comments or messages whenever possible. Interacting with your audience helps build stronger relationships. To reach more people on Snapchat, start posting on Spotlight. This is Snapchat's short video feature where engaging content can be discovered by a much wider. Spotlight helps you reach users way beyond your. Hey everyone, welcome channel. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि Snapchat से इंडिया में 94,000 रुपए तक कैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं और 2026 में करता है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए। Let's get started. Follow Rely only on Snapchat. Share your Snapchat profile on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook, so your existing audience can follow you there as well. Hey everyone, welcome channel. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि Snapchat से इंडिया में 94,000 रुपए तक कैसे अर्न कर सकते हैं और 2026 में करता है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए। Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to get started is affiliate marketing. You recommend products or services that are relevant to your audience using your unique affiliate link. Driving more followers is great, but an engaged audience is even more important. People who regularly watch, interact with, and share your content are more valuable than inactive followers. Try to post 1 or 2 high-quality spotlight videos consistently. A regular posting schedule gives you more opportunities to reach new viewers quickly and provides value. Hey everyone, well-known username, clear profile picture, and an informative bio. Your profile is the first impression, so keep it clean and simple and relevant to your niche. Hey everyone, welcome channel Snapchat account. After that, set up a public creator profile. This lets people discover and follow you. Let's get started. Hey everyone, vertical videos that are 15 to 60 seconds long, they must be high quality and original. कर सकते हैं. Make them focus on content that grabs attention quickly and provides value. Start every video with a strong hook in the first few seconds. Ask an interesting question, share a surprising fact, or preview the result to encourage viewers to keep watching. Once you've built an audience, there are several ways you can monetize your Snapchat presence. Let's look at some of the most common methods. When someone clicks your affiliate link and completes a qualifying purchase according to the affiliate program's terms, you may earn a commission. Promote products that genuinely match your niche and provide value to your audience. Honest recommendations help build trust and can lead to better long-term results. Promote products that genuinely match your audience grows and your content consistently performs well. Brands may approach you to promote their products or services. These collaborations can include product reviews, tutorials, and your sponsored mentions in your Snapchat content. The opportunities you've often depend on your niche, audience, and engagement. Brands usually look for creators with an authentic and engaged audience. Building trust with your followers is often more valuable than simply having a large follower count. Another popular way to earn money is by selling your own digital products. Once you've built an audience, you can offer resources that provide value to your followers. Another popular way to products include ebooks, online courses. Once you've templates, you can offer resets and digital guides. Another popular products can be sold repeatedly without maintaining physical inventory. Focus on creating products that solve real problems or help your audience achieve a specific goal. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can use Snapchat to promote your creating professional services. This will help you attract potential clients. As your audience grows and trusts your expertise, more people may be interested in hiring you for your services. This will help you potential client. As your audience offered creator monetization opportunities in the past. This allows eligible creators to earn through certain platform programs. However, these programs, eligibility requirements, payment models, and regional availability can change over time. Always check creator policies and eligibility criteria before. Here's an example of how multiple income streams can work together. These figures are for illustration only and are not guaranteed. For example, affiliate marketing 30,000 rupees, brand deals 35,000 rupees, digital products 20,000 rupees, and services 9,000 rupees. In this example, the total comes to 94,000 rupees per month. Remember, this is only a sample scenario to show how different income sources can add up. Your actual earnings can be higher or lower depending on factors like your audience size, engagement, niche, offers, and consistency. Providing value first, the income can grow over time. If you want to grow on Snapchat and build a sustainable income, avoid these common mistakes. Do not upload copied or unoriginal content. Do not buy fake followers, and do not post inconsistently. Also, don't ignore your audience. Don't expect instant income, and always follow Snapchat's community guidelines and platform policies. Real growth comes from creating original content. Don't expect engaging with audience and follow Snapchat's community guidelines and staying consistent over time. Snapchat can become a valuable platform for creators, but long-term success comes from building trust, creating original content, and using multiple income streams, not from chasing shortcuts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Snapchat if you'd like a complete tutorial on growing a Snapchat creator account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.